Hello friends, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's video is a good update for you guys. Please listen to this video and please join this thing called Metaforce. I registered on Metaforce 2 days ago. Let me show you guys some earnings on Metaforce. Okay, as you can see here on your screen, you can see payments are currently now on Metaforce. People are really making huge amount of money from Metaforce. So and now that dollar has increased, we Metaforce earners will earn from Metaforce. If you want to learn how to join Metaforce, just message me or leave a comment. I'm interested. Many people are making mad money out of Metaforce. So if you're not into Metaforce already, I prefer that you join Metaforce right now. If you don't know how to join Metaforce, just leave a comment interested. As I said, I just joined Metaforce 3 days ago. These are some screenshots of earnings from Metaforce. Let me show you guys some videos. If I don't know what to just show you guys, but Metaforce is real and it is live. If you want to know how to join Metaforce, leave a comment and I'm going to message you on how to join Metaforce. There is steady withdrawals here on Metaforce. So this is earnings, this is live from Metaforce. Let me show you guys some videos to show you that Metaforce is not a child's play. Okay, let me show you guys some videos about people that are giving testimony from Metaforce. Listen to this.
Join Metaforce. When I say no, I don't want to join. Join Metaforce.
Join Metaforce, man. Cool cash.
I hope you're seeing this. Let me play another one.
So my first goal was to make 10,000 rand, and then I ended up making 80,000 rand in 2 days. So now my next goal is to make 1 million rand in just 1 month.
Many people are making money out of Metaforce. If you're not into Metaforce already, please join Metaforce. Even this popular comedian too is into Metaforce. Just watch this.
You see that? I have suffered. I want you to help me. I want to make money. I want to make money as quick as possible. Help me. Let me make money. My very good customer. See, the truth of the matter is that my own predicament is more than yours.
Join Metaforce.
For the past 1 week, nobody has ever brought cow. Nobody has brought fowl in this shrine. Even food, gala, nothing has come into this shrine. I go with you, I'm tagging inside gradually. Just help me out. The earlier you learn to be who you are.
After this is what Metaforce did for the guy.
Customer. It is true we are laughing, man. I go why is so quiet. You want I did the ritual elsewhere, you did tell me. I bet you will update you no more.
It's not ritual. It's not ritual. It's Metaforce smart contract.
I told you, join Metaforce. If you're interested in learning more about Metaforce, let me just know in the comment section. Metaforce is real and live. Join Metaforce right now. It is an update for everybody in the whole world. Join Metaforce. If you want to join Metaforce, just leave a comment interested and I will show you how.